LSNDE's innovative inspection software creates a simple workflow for inspections. The first step in the software workflow is part imaging. During this step, inspectors are presented with a live camera feed and have the ability to position the robot by hand towards the part that will be inspected. When ready, the inspector initiates the imaging routine. During the action, the robot will move to set positions and use the depth camera to image the part. For this demonstration, the robot will take a grid of 9 images. As the data is processed, the images are presented to the inspector. The next step in the software workflow is defining the scan region. Inspectors can define the region to be scanned using one of 2 tools. The first tool allows the inspector to quickly define a rectangle in the image. The second tool offers greater control to inspectors by defining a polygon on the presented image. Inspectors can also clear a previously selected region or point from the polygon and start the process over if so desired. For this video, our inspector will utilize the polygon tool to select a pentagon-shaped scanned region. Inspectors also have control to define which vertex of the polygon the scan should start from and which direction the robot should start scanning. Once the inspector has finished defining the region of interest, the robot will use the depth camera to collect high-fidelity location data used for path planning of the robot. The final step in the software workflow is the scan settings page. During this step, the inspector defines the resolution required for the inspection along with the maximum speed of the robot during the inspection. For this inspection, a resonance scan is being performed. Inspectors set the voltage, frequency, and signal averaging for the inspection. When all scan settings are finalized, the inspector selects the next button to initiate the inspection. After a few moments, the software will present a 3D wireframe of the scan region. Over the course of the inspection, the wireframe will fill in with C-scan data from the inspection. In order to ensure consistent coupling, the inspector is utilizing Lone Star's drip couplant delivery system. Drip pumps a small amount of water onto the part through the resonance probe end effector throughout the duration of the scan.